Sony has quietly dropped the new FX3a, a refined version of the widely loved FX3 cinema camera. While it may look nearly identical, there's more going on under the hood, like the removal of the mechanical shutter and subtle tuning aimed at dedicated video shooters. In this video, we'll break down how the FX3a stacks up against the original FX3. The Sony FX3a maintains the compact, cage-free design that made the original FX3 popular among solo shooters and run-and-gun filmmakers. It features a magnesium alloy body with 5.25-inch mounting threads on the camera body and 3 additional threads on the included top handle, allowing for versatile rigging options. The camera weighs around 15 grams with the battery and memory card included. The FX3a is equipped with a 3-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD with a resolution of 2,350,000 dots, providing clear and detailed monitoring for various shooting angles. Notably, the FX3a omits the mechanical shutter, focusing solely on electronic shutter operation, which aligns with its video-centric design. The original Sony FX3 shares a similar form factor, also featuring a magnesium alloy construction and the same dimensions and weight as the FX3a. It includes the same number of mounting threads, facilitating flexible rigging setups. The FX3's 3-inch articulating touchscreen LCD has a resolution of 1,440,000 dots, slightly lower than the FX3a's display, but still offers adequate clarity for monitoring. Unlike the FX3a, the original FX3 includes both electronic and mechanical shutter options, providing photographers with additional flexibility for still image capture. The Sony FX3a is equipped with a 35.6 by 23.8mm full-frame mycameralogic sensor, offering an effective resolution of 12.1 megapixels. This sensor design prioritizes low light performance and dynamic range, making it well suited for cinematic video production. The FX3a utilizes the Bion's XR image processor, enabling high-speed data processing and support for various gamma curves, including S-Log3 and hybrid log gamma. The camera's ISO sensitivity ranges from 80 to 102400, expandable up to 409600. The original FX3 features the same sensor and image processor as the FX3a, delivering comparable image quality and performance. It supports the same ISO range and gamma curves, ensuring consistency in color grading and dynamic range across both models. The inclusion of both mechanical and electronic shutter options in the FX3 provides additional versatility for photographers who require precise control over shutter speed and exposure. The Sony FX3a features fast hybrid autofocus, combining phase detection and contrast detection methods to achieve accurate and responsive focusing. It offers 627 phase detection autofocus points covering a significant portion of the image area and includes advanced features like real-time eye autofocus and touch tracking. The FX3a also incorporates 5-axis in-body image stabilization, compensating for camera shake across 5 different axes, which is particularly beneficial for handheld shooting scenarios. The original FX3 shares the same autofocus system as the FX3a, providing identical performance in terms of focus accuracy and tracking capabilities. It also includes 5-axis in-body image stabilization, ensuring smooth and stable footage during handheld operation. The consistency in autofocus and stabilization features between the two models means that users can expect similar performance in these areas, regardless of which camera they choose. The Sony FX3a offers a range of connectivity options, including a USB Type-C port supporting super-speed USB 5 Gbps, a multi-micro USB terminal, a full-size HDMI Type-A output, and 3.5mm stereo mini jacks for microphone and headphone connections. Wireless connectivity is facilitated through dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version 5.0, enabling remote control and file transfer via the Creators app. The FX3a is powered by the NP-FZ100 rechargeable battery pack, providing extended shooting times and supports USB power delivery for continuous power supply during long recording sessions. The original FX3 includes similar connectivity features, with dual CF Express Type-A SD card slots, a USB Type-C port, a multi-micro USB terminal, a full-size HDMI output, and 3.5mm audio jacks. It also supports dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version 5 for wireless communication. The FX3 is also compatible with the NP-FZ100 battery and supports USB power delivery. The Sony FX3a is designed for high-performance video recording, supporting internal 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit 422 color depth using the XAVCSI codec. It also offers external 16-bit RAW output via HDMI, catering to professional workflows that require maximum image quality and flexibility in post-production. The camera's efficient heat dissipation system, including a built-in fan, allows for extended recording times without overheating. The original FX3 provides identical video recording capabilities, supporting internal 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second and external 16-bit RAW output. It also features a built-in cooling system to prevent overheating during prolonged recording sessions. The performance parity between the FX3a and FX3 ensures that users can achieve the same high-quality results with either camera. As of the latest information, the Sony FX3a is priced at approximately $3,900 for the body only. The original FX3 is also available at a similar price point. Pricing may vary based on region, retailer, and availability, so it's advisable to check current listings for the most accurate information. There is not much difference between the Sony FX3a and the original Sony FX3 in terms of core performance. Both cameras share almost the same full-frame sensor, image processor, and connectivity options. The FX3a is slightly more streamlined for pure video use, removing the mechanical shutter and upgrading the LCD resolution. If your focus is entirely on filmmaking and you do not shoot stills, the FX3a offers a marginally more refined experience for the same price. The original FX3, meanwhile, retains the mechanical shutter, which can be useful for those who occasionally capture still images or want extra flexibility in shutter control. Since both models cost roughly the same and perform nearly identically, your decision should come down to whether or not you value having a mechanical shutter. If you do, the FX3 is still an excellent and capable cinema camera. If you do not, the FX3a delivers everything you need in a dedicated video tool. So, which one do you think would be the better choice? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.